Hi everyone, well, welcome back. We are now ready to print our picture. You have to remember that your picture is going to come out in reverse because we are printing. So at your table, you're going to have a tray and some black ink and also a brayer to roll out the ink. I'm going to set my picture aside, and when the grown-up puts out the ink, you want to have maybe start with an amount like that, and you're going to take the brayer and you're just going to roll it on the tray. You're rolling it because you want to get an even amount of ink on your brayer. Alright, so pretty good. And when you leave the roller, you want to make sure that the handle is off the edge so the next person using it isn't getting ink on their hand. I'm going to set this outside of the camera, and then I'm going to bring my picture back, and I'm going to roll some ink on top. And you'll have to go back and roll out more. You want to make sure everything is covered well. And parents, you may have to put out more ink when it's your turn to use the brayer. Alright, so now I think I'm pretty good, ready. And we have orange construction paper to print on, so I'm going to line this up and press it down. Now once I've placed it on that tray, I can't lift it up and move it around. So now I'm going to rub, and I want to make sure that I rub to feel all around that printing plate. You don't want to use your fingers, and you don't want to use your knuckles. You're just using a flat hand, just like you're ironing something, pressing down. Now my print, I'm hoping it's going to come out good, but if it doesn't, we have to figure out and look at what may have gone wrong. So now I'm going to pull this up. Ooh, and that came out pretty good. Some areas are darker than others, so that might mean that I could have used a little bit more black ink. So we can try again. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put more ink out. I know that's outside of the camera view, and I've smoothed it out, and I'm going to come back in and more ink. Now this will probably come out better for a couple reasons. One is I'm making sure I have enough ink on my printing plate, but also because it's the second print, and there's still some leftover ink from the first try. All right. Oops. And take my paper, and same thing, set it down, and then rub. So you'll get 2 tries. And look, I can peel this back. I'm like, oh, as long as I don't lift it up completely, I'm okay to do that. But one thing you can't do, ooh, this one did come out better. There, that looks a lot better. I still could have gotten a little bit better in these corners, but that's okay, I like it. One thing you can't do is say, oh, I want to print it again and do that, because you won't be able to line it up correctly. All right, I hope you have a great time printing, and I can't wait to see what yours come out looking like.